Welcome everyone to another one of my crazy DIYs. You remember this car? I did a quick cleanup in it, but today I want to do an overall cleanup detailing the whole inside of the car. So I'm gonna pull the car in the garage and get the seats out so we can clean inside of it. All right, so I went ahead and removed the seats front and back. I have a video on that actually. You can go ahead and check the video out on my channel. You'll see how actually to remove the seats out of your car. Look at this, man. This is so filthy. Look. I didn't feel like I should remove this part right here because it seems like I can just clean it right where it's at. So these are pretty dirty. Yep, so let me get the vacuum so I can start vacuuming it. But first though, I'm going to clean all the seats. I have them all over here. This right here is actually not what it says on here. It's basically some water and some laundry detergent. I got this right here as well. I got my wet and dry vac right over here. So that's basically all you will need to clean the seats. So let's start. Now it appears that the person that used to have this car was a smoker, because you can see and kind of smell all the smoke like right here as you drive. So I'm gonna lightly spray them and make sure that as I'm trying to get all the smoke and all the dirt off, I don't the glue that glue the top right here, I don't mess with it. So I have to be very careful with that. Look at this. All right, it's next day. Let's get ready to see what this thing looks like before I put everything back in. Woo, woo, look at that. Look at this. You see this? Woo, 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 woo. Let me show you. Now I feel very confident and comfortable. I haven't cleaned outside of it yet, but I just wanted to show you what the inside looks like. No more dirty juice or stain. Everything's gone. Everything is cleaned. Look at this. I still have to vacuum the floor right here, but look at this. Just wanted to show you. Yay, yay, I like this. So let's go ahead and put everything back in and see what it looks like after. All right, so now I don't think you are ready to see how beautiful this car is inside. I mean, it's always such a great feeling after you do great work, you know? Man, this thing was so filthy. Look at this. Clean. I haven't cleaned outside of it. I just wanted to show you the work that was done from the floor to the ceiling. Look at this. Look at this. Clean. Let me show you the back. Clean and ready to go. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. That way you don't miss any of our other videos.